In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Instagram feed in GoDaddy website. By the end, you'll have an Instagram section embedded on your site and pulling your latest posts automatically. Have your GoDaddy login and your Instagram credentials ready so the process is smooth. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account the way you normally do. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your account name or avatar to open the account menu. From there, choose My Products so you can see everything associated with your account. Find the website you want to work on and select it to open the site editor. This is where we'll add the new section. Inside the editor, locate the plus icon that lets you add a new section to the page. Click it, and you'll see a list of section categories you can add. Scroll or search for the Social Links category and select it. Within that category, choose Instagram feed. This is the dedicated section type that displays your Instagram posts on your site. You'll now be asked to pick a template or layout for the Instagram feed. Choose the one that best fits your page's style and the space you have available. Don't worry, this choice isn't permanent. You can switch layouts later if you change your mind. After inserting the section, you can start editing its settings. Use the panel on the side to adjust things like the title or heading for the section, spacing around it, and how many posts appear at once if that option is available in your theme. Keep an eye on how it looks on desktop and mobile previews so the grid and spacing feel balanced on all screens. To make it live with your own content, click Connect Now in the Instagram section. A pop-up will guide you through logging in and authorizing access. Follow the prompts to connect the correct Instagram account and grant the necessary permissions so your posts can display. If you manage multiple Instagram profiles, be sure to pick the right one. After authorization, the feed should populate automatically in the editor within a few moments. If you don't see it right away, give it a second to refresh or reopen the section settings. That's it. Your Instagram feed is now added to your GoDaddy website. Tweak the styling until it matches your brand, and you're all set to showcase fresh, dynamic content straight from your Instagram.